Alright everyone, so please excuse the audio. There's some cars playing some really loud ass music. But we wanted to make this quick video. So some of y'all know, this is Marco, Mr. Contain Negatives. I'll put his name up in the title. Like I mentioned, excuse the audio, but today we're going to be shooting with the RB67 127mm on a Promise Portra.
Hasselblad with an 80mm main arm.
Yep. We decided it'd be a good idea to actually switch it up. So, there you go. And there you go. What are you going to be shooting?
I'll be shooting some Portra 160.
And I'll be shooting Portra 400 because I've had bad luck with 160. It's terrible. But yeah, we're here in Whittier Blvd, and we'll see what we get. Follow us along. See ya. Yeah, what do you think?
I'd rather have the Hasselblad.
Hell yeah. I'd rather have the Hasselblad too.
So this is Jorge loading up a Hasselblad.
There you go. I've actually owned a Hasselblad before, so I kind of know how to do it.
Actually, it's not pretty smooth.
There. Then you,
because this one goes on top.
What do you mean?
So yeah, this is one way to tell that you're loading it wrong. The empty spool has to be on top of the Hasselblad.
Oh, shit. Oh, you already switched it out. See, he's sabotaging me. He already switched out the roll. He already switched it out. Sabotaging me and shit. All right, hold on.
Right there.
Okay.
Put it in.
That's what she said.
Lock and load it, Pete's.
Boom. Boom. Right. First shot of the day. Let me see that. Nice. Boom. Remember to cock the. Yep. It's a little. You see that little chrome piece? That little. Yeah. To the left. There you go. And now you can go ahead. There you go.
Oh shit.
Nice. Yep. All right. So, Ronald Fernand. It's been a while since I shot 6.6. So yeah, we'll see. And then this is also a 50 mil equivalent. I'm used to like a 70. My 127 is way different. But yeah, we'll see what's up. Dark side out.
Keep it in your pocket.
Damn it. I clicked it a little too early. Should be good though. Yeah, buddy. That wasn't the shot I was going for, but it looked nice. Get some good 62 taillights. Palm trees. Alright. There's a little hack. I'm gonna have to overexpose, so I'm gonna use a polarizer to kill a stop and a half.
I don't know how he's gonna do that. The other way.
Alright, I'll be completely honest. I miss my Hasselblad. Love this thing. 6x6 is nice, but not as a main camera. That's why I love my RB. But yeah. Oh shit. That's why I love 6x7. But yeah, still a lot of cars out here. We'll see what we get. So Marco didn't realize my promise was still on there.
I dream in my dreams, but not in my shots.
He's worried about the shots coming out too dreamy. So yeah, I mean, if you're watching this video by now, you'll see the results, but we'll see how the results came out. So we got shot 4 in here, 62 taillights, but try some overhead action. Let's see. Watch this right here, B-roll.
That should come out sexy as hell.
Yeah.
That's 1,000 followers for you.
We'll see. I was running through his roll.
That's shot number 5.
All right, so I underexposed this a little bit, so I converted it to black and white. Sue me. Your turn. So this is known as pulling a mic gray, converting Portra to black and white. Camera in one hand, corn in the other. Oh yeah. All right, so we're officially done shooting. Got some corn. What do you think of the RB? Show me your arm.
How much it weighs?
Yeah, so it was awesome shooting 6x6 again. Really stoked to see the results. Of course, y'all have seen the results if you've seen this video. But yeah, we're gonna finish our corn, finish seeing these cars. See ya.